Did you know that a group of owls is called a parliament? Science is full of amazing facts like this. Science helps us understand our world. It's about asking questions and finding answers. It's about exploring the world around us. From tiny ants to giant stars, science is everywhere. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's dive into the wonderful world of science projects. Science projects are like fun experiments. They help us learn by doing. We can ask a question and then try to find the answer ourselves. It's like being a detective, but for science. Imagine making a volcano erupt or building a robot that moves. Science projects make learning exciting and fun. They help us understand how things work. Here are some simple and fun science project ideas for you. Rainbow in a jar. Make a colorful density tower with liquids like oil, water, and syrup. Plant power. Grow a plant in a jar and observe its roots growing. And sun prints. Create beautiful art using sunlight and special paper. Make a compass. Did you know you can make a compass using just a needle, a magnet, and a bowl of water? It's an easy project to learn about magnetism. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Remember, the best science projects are the ones that you find interesting. Let's try making a volcano. It's a classic science project that demonstrates chemical reactions. You will need Play-Doh or clay, a small, empty plastic bottle, baking soda, vinegar, and red food coloring, optional. Instructions: use the Play-Doh or clay to build a volcano shape around the plastic bottle. Make sure to leave the opening of the bottle clear. Carefully pour baking soda into the bottle until it's about 1/3 full. Add a few drops of red food coloring, optional, to the vinegar in a separate cup. Now for the fun part, slowly pour the vinegar into the bottle with the baking soda. Watch your volcano erupt. Section 5. Learning is fun! The volcano project teaches us about chemical reactions. When baking soda and vinegar mix, they create a gas called carbon dioxide. This gas bubbles up and causes the eruption. Science projects help us understand how things work. They teach us to observe, ask questions, and find answers. We learn to follow instructions and solve problems. Most importantly, we learn that science is fun. Section 6. Exploring the world around us. Science is everywhere, not just in the classroom. Look around you. What do you see? Trees, birds, clouds? These are all part of science too. You can do science projects about anything that interests you. Do you love animals? Try building a bird feeder and observe the different birds that come to visit. Interested in space? Make a model of the solar system using simple materials. Section 7. Science is for everyone. You don't need fancy labs or expensive equipment to be a scientist. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to explore. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and try new things. Sometimes experiments might not work the way you expect them to. That's okay. It's all part of the learning process. Science is about trying, failing, and trying again until you find the answer. Section 8. Keep asking questions. The most important thing is to never stop asking questions. Why is the sky blue? How do airplanes fly? Why do we yawn? The world is full of mysteries waiting to be solved. Read books, watch documentaries, and talk to experts. The more you learn, the more you'll realize how much more there is to know. Science is a journey of lifelong learning. Section 9. Now go be amazing scientists. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your lab coats or just an old t-shirt. Put on your thinking caps and get started on your own science adventures. The world is your laboratory. Remember, science is not just about memorizing facts. It's about asking questions, exploring the world, and having fun. Go out there and make amazing discoveries.